Come on, tape it up.
Stop it. Just hold it.
How many Roman candles are here?
Are you asking us? I don't know.
You already went over that spot. Tape it. Now, you just go around
Oh, okay. I see it.
and tape it to the minigun.
Come on.
Now the steel handle we can reuse every year.
What heads did we use before?
I just use blocks of wood and some screws.
Okay, so
Alright. Hang on, let's see how it's turning a little bit. We need to sort of lock that in. So let's try doing something like this. Alright, come around. Then we'll come back this way.
This one?
Yeah, locked it in some. But that's good enough. It's only a one-time use thing. Now, show the camera how you shoot it.
okay, well, I'm ready.
Like this.
Yeah, it's like a minigun.
Should make a trigger. Like a fake trigger.
Oh yeah, that would have been nice.
That'd be fun.
All right.